OnePlus 9 RT, a new flagship smartphone of the company. Smart Tech OnePlus is unveiling a 9 RT smartphone to the market. The smartphone will be launched in China first in October this year. The company has released a poster on Weibo, which confirms the launch. The upcoming handset of the company will be a flagship device and it will be called OnePlus 9 RT. The chipset that is going to power the upcoming smartphone will be Snapdragon 888, 5G. This is a powerful chipset that handsomely handles all the specs of upper-class smartphones. To give more power to this OnePlus's 9 RT, there is an Octa-Core processor installed under the hood of this handset. Also, the device has got a GPU of Adreno 660. The smartphone got the taste of the AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen display, which is exclusively made for the devices of this brand. The screen size of this smartphone is 6.62 inches. OnePlus 9 RT is going to have a full HD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The SoC of the handset is paired with 8/12 GB of RAM. The chipset and the RAM of the OnePlus Sharp 9 RT will make the processing speed of the phone lightning fast. The internal storage capacity of the device is 128/256 GB. This is enough storage capacity that will give you enough space to place a huge amount of data for future use. The OnePlus has got an Android 11 operating system in 9 RT. The smartphone has got a quad camera setup on the rear. The main camera will be 50 megapixels main camera and 16 megapixels, 2 megapixels, 2 megapixels. On the front facing of the 9 RT, there is a 16 megapixels selfie camera. The security of this device: to protect your data, it has an under-display, optical fingerprint scanner. The 9 RT is fueled with a powerful battery of 4500 mAh capacity. It means you can use the smartphone 9 RT for a long period of time. And also there is a fast battery charging of warp charge of 65T in 9 RT by OnePlus. This coming up new OnePlus 9 RT will be a competitor of Samsung as the specs look quite impressive.